In the dimly lit bedroom, Anna sits alone on the edge of the bed, her posture expressing defeat. Tears stream down Anna's face, each drop a testament to her hidden pain. The room's disorder mirrors Anna's inner turmoil, clothes scattered as silent witnesses. Soft sobs fill the air, the only sound in the chaotic yet intimate space. The focus tightens on Anna's face, capturing her raw, unfiltered emotion in its purest form. Bathed in the glow of a sunny day, Anna greets patrons with a smile as she stands behind the counter of the bustling coffee shop. Her demeanor shines, a stark contrast to the shadows of the night before. With a graceful motion, she hands over the coffee, her voice ringing with genuine warmth. Each interaction is a dance of pleasantries, her voice steady and bright, masking any lingering sadness. Anna returns to her apartment, the door shutting behind her, sealing off the outside world. The smile she wears for the world vanishes as she faces her own reflection. Weariness fills her eyes, a silent testament to unseen battles. A subtle nod, a flicker of self-acknowledgement, as she embraces the quiet strength of survival. They see the smile, the strength. They don't see the battles fought in silence, the tears shed in the dark. But that's okay, because strength isn't always loud. Sometimes, it's just surviving another day.